kind of have a meditative practice, but so there's no question. I felt like, you guys were doing something in the background, and I felt something was going on. I think I dropped into this witness mode much more quickly than I normally do, despite all the ambient noises around me, and obviously the multiple conversations as well around us. And at one point, unless you guys said thank you, I probably
we did nothing. Just I think you have connected to the consciousness. That's it.
Yeah.
So it's not us. This is the consciousness.
Yeah.
So did you feel anything on your body or?
All over, but it's similar to, for example, a couple of weeks ago I was in 10 days of silence in Hawaii, more or less doing the same thing, similar chair, and I was starting to drop back into those spaces in my body, just as I normally do when I get deeper, just this warm, loving feeling, and I think sense of relaxation, healing, abundance.
So, in your experience, it was different, or?
I can't say it was different, but I can say that it was very special, though. I can't explain. I'm feeling a lot of energetics around this area right now.
What kind of the energy?
It feels very hollow, wide.
And it was like let's say sometimes the energy is like a circle or something like.
Yeah, and
or maybe it's straight or not.
Weird about my breathing also suddenly would get faster and slower, which I couldn't make sense of.
Okay.
I think I was starting to hear very micro sounds, like, so I could hear them, and then I could hear you guys. I think, were you chatting or chanting with each other?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I heard that obviously, very clearly. I took a second to find it, but when I found it, it was wonderful.
Well.
Yeah. Even though this was going on there, at one point, I could hear it, but there was a clear channel between.
Yeah.
And then these guys were annoying, but that's fine.
Yeah.
It was really wonderful.
Do you want to try?
Like to try it again someday or soon.
Yeah. If you like, you can write anytime. You can do that. So you can do. Yeah. Just you need to sit and be witness. Nothing else.
Yeah. Okay.
So
then don't worry about the conference times, and I'll just put it what it normally.
Yes.
Okay. So, how about? $8 a.m. and 6 p.m. How does that sound?
Perfect. Yeah. This is your time, so this is your appointment. Yeah. Just it.
Okay. Maybe make it 7 a.m.
Okay.
Cool.
So please do me a favor and send your report.
Okay.
Yeah, it will be perfect for us.
In like a week, send the report?
Yeah.
Or 2 weeks?
Yeah, up to you.
Okay.
But it will be perfect if you receive that.